Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce our presentation on AI-powered automation bots. Today, we'll explore how these innovative tools are transforming workflows with iBARE. We'll also take a look at $class Inc. and see how automation is making a real difference. So, let's get started and discover how technology can streamline and enhance our work processes. Let's dive into the fundamentals of AI automation bots. First, we'll explore building bots with iBARE, which is a powerful platform that simplifies creating intelligent automation solutions. Then, we'll look at how to implement these bots effectively and scale them across your organization. These core concepts are essential because they form the foundation for leveraging automation to improve efficiency and productivity. As we progress, keep in mind how these steps connect to the overall goal of transforming business processes through smart automation. Let's take a closer look at the fundamentals of AI automation bots. These bots are essentially software programs designed to perform specific tasks automatically, which helps streamline workflows and reduce manual effort. They can handle repetitive, rule-based activities quickly and accurately, freeing up human resources for more strategic work. Understanding these core concepts is crucial because it lays the foundation for how we can leverage AI to improve efficiency across various business processes. As we move forward in this presentation, keep in mind that these fundamentals are the building blocks for more advanced AI automation solutions. Let's take a closer look at what software agents for automation are and what they can do. Essentially, these agents are programs designed to perform repetitive tasks across multiple applications, making our workflows more efficient. They operate based on a set of rules, specific triggers, or even advanced AI intelligence, which allows them to adapt and handle complex scenarios. You'll often see common examples like customer support chatbots, which help answer questions and resolve issues quickly. Email automation tools that sort and respond to messages, and data entry bots that handle routine data processing. These all streamline business operations, saving time and reducing errors. Now, regarding how they execute tasks, these agents follow predefined rules or respond to specific events or triggers. And with the integration of AI, they can even make smarter decisions, improving their effectiveness in dynamic environments. Finally, one of the key strengths of these automation agents is their ability to connect seamlessly with existing systems. They can automate workflows between different applications without requiring manual intervention, creating a smooth, integrated process across your entire tech ecosystem. This connectivity is fundamental to achieving scalable, efficient automation in any organization. Now, let's take a closer look at the different types of automation bots we commonly encounter. First, we have task-based bots. These are designed to handle specific repetitive tasks, such as data entry, generating reports, or managing files. They really shine when it comes to saving time on routine activities. Next up are communication bots. These automate the handling of emails, messages, and notifications. They follow predefined rules to ensure that communication flows smoothly without manual intervention, which helps improve response times and consistency. Then we have decision-making bots. These leverage AI to analyze data and make intelligent choices within set parameters. They're particularly useful for complex decisions that require quick processing and analysis, making processes more efficient and less prone to human error. Finally, there are integration bots. Their role is to connect multiple systems and transfer information seamlessly between applications. This integration helps create a unified workflow, reducing manual data transfers and ensuring that all systems stay synchronized. Overall, understanding these different types of bots helps us see how automation can be tailored to meet various needs across an organization, supporting productivity and operational efficiency. Let's talk about the key business benefits of implementing automation. First, saving time is a huge advantage. By automating repetitive tasks, we can reduce manual effort significantly, which allows our employees to focus on more strategic and value-added activities. Next, increasing accuracy is crucial. Automation helps minimize human errors in routine processes, ensuring that our operations are more consistent and reliable. Improving responsiveness is another vital benefit. With automated workflows, we can deliver faster service to our customers and stakeholders, enhancing their overall experience. Lastly, automation enables us to scale our operations effectively. We can grow without needing to proportionally increase our headcount simply by deploying more bots where needed. Altogether, these benefits align perfectly with our goal to streamline processes, improve efficiency, and support sustainable growth. Let's talk about how automation can really transform our operations. First, it helps save valuable time by eliminating repetitive tasks. When bots handle these manual processes, our teams can focus on more strategic and impactful work. That's a huge boost to productivity. Next, reducing human errors is another key benefit. Bots perform tasks consistently and accurately, which means fewer mistakes in data handling and routine operations. This consistency improves our overall quality and reliability. Another important point is scaling without increasing headcount. By automating workflows, we can expand our operational capacity without the need to hire more staff. This makes growth more manageable and cost-effective. Finally, automation also improves response times. Automated systems can provide instant replies to customers and stakeholders, enhancing their experience and satisfaction. All these points tie back to our overall goal: working smarter, not harder, and leveraging technology to drive better outcomes across the board. Let's talk about strategic work enablement. The idea here is to focus on high-value tasks that truly move the needle for our organization. Automation plays a key role by freeing up employees from routine work, allowing them to concentrate on strategic initiatives that require human creativity and judgment. This shift not only boosts productivity, but also enhances the quality of our decision-making. As routine tasks are handled by bots, staff members have the opportunity to develop new skills and capabilities, which is essential for ongoing growth and adaptability. Better data access and insights also lead to improved decision-making across the organization, enabling us to make smarter, more informed choices. And finally, when we save time through automation, we create space for innovation. Teams can experiment with new approaches and explore innovative business models, accelerating our overall growth and staying ahead in a competitive landscape. This is all about empowering our people and our organization to be more strategic, more agile, and more innovative. Building bots with iBARE is an exciting step in our automation journey. In this part of the presentation, I want to highlight how iBARE empowers us to create intelligent, efficient bots that can handle a variety of tasks. The key point here is that iBARE is designed to simplify the bot building process, making it accessible even if you're not a coding expert. What's really powerful about iBARE is its ability to connect different systems seamlessly, enabling us to automate complex workflows with ease. This aligns perfectly with our overall theme of leveraging innovative tools to boost productivity and accuracy. By building bots with iBARE, we're not just automating tasks, we're transforming how we work, making processes faster, more reliable, and more scalable. So, when we think about the future of automation, iBARE is a crucial piece of the puzzle that helps us stay ahead. Let's take a closer look at the no-code interface features that make automation accessible and efficient. First, we have the Visual Bot Builder, which is a drag-and-drop tool that allows you to create automation workflows without needing any coding knowledge. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can focus on designing processes rather than worrying about technical details. Next, there are the pre-built templates. These are ready-to-use automation setups for common business tasks and workflows, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Instead of starting from scratch, you can quickly adapt these templates to fit your specific needs. Connecting to your existing applications and data sources is made simple with the app integrations. With just a few configuration steps, you can seamlessly link your tools, ensuring your automation works smoothly across platforms. Finally, the AI decision logic feature lets you incorporate smart, decision-making capabilities into your workflows without complex programming. This means your automation can make intelligent choices, enhancing efficiency and responsiveness. Altogether, these features embody the core theme of making automation accessible to everyone, empowering users to build powerful workflows without technical barriers. Let's take a closer look at the integration capabilities of iBARE. First, it connects seamlessly with your existing systems. This means it can work smoothly alongside your current applications and workflow tools, making adoption easy without disrupting what you're already using. Next, it offers robust API connections. This allows you to access external services through standardized interfaces, opening up many possibilities for automation and expanding what you can achieve with the system. Data source flexibility is another key point. You can connect to databases, spreadsheets, or even cloud storage, which helps you process information more efficiently and keeps your data easily accessible. And finally, cross-platform compatibility ensures that iBARE works across different operating systems and devices. So whether you're on Windows, Mac, or mobile, you'll have a consistent automation experience everywhere. All these features come together to make iBARE a versatile, powerful tool that integrates smoothly into your existing ecosystem, enhancing your automation capabilities across the board. Let's take a closer look at AI-driven decision-making. What's really exciting here is how AI can handle complex tasks by analyzing data patterns to make decisions that go far beyond simple rule-based automation. This means AI isn't just following preset instructions, it's actually interpreting data to make smarter choices. Another key point is adaptive learning. Over time, these AI bots get better and better by learning from their interactions and outcomes. So they're not static, they evolve, which means improved performance the more they're used. Predictive capabilities are also a game changer. AI can anticipate needs and take proactive actions based on historical data trends. This allows organizations to be more prepared and responsive, rather than just reacting after the fact. And finally, human-like reasoning is what really sets advanced AI apart. These systems can process unstructured information and apply contextual understanding, much like a human would, to make thoughtful decisions within workflows. All of these elements together highlight how AI is transforming decision-making processes, making them smarter, faster, and more adaptable, aligning perfectly with our overall theme of leveraging technology for smarter operations. All right, let's talk through the workflow mapping process. First, we need to identify the tasks. This means documenting those repetitive processes that take up a lot of time and have clear inputs and outputs. It's about pinpointing what the team does over and over again that could be streamlined. Next, we move on to mapping the steps. This involves breaking the workflow down into a series of sequential actions. We also need to identify decision points, moments where the process might branch based on certain conditions, and specify what data is needed at each step. Then, we define triggers. Think of triggers as the signals that start the workflow and also those that indicate when it's completed. Understanding what initiates the process helps us design a system that's both responsive and efficient. Finally, we need to identify integrations. This means listing all the systems and applications the bot will interact with. Knowing what tools are involved is crucial for designing a seamless automation that connects everything smoothly. All of these steps, identifying tasks, mapping steps, defining triggers, and recognizing integrations, are foundational to creating effective workflows. They help us ensure our automation is well-structured and aligned with the overall project goals. Let's start by understanding what a trigger and action are. Essentially, a trigger is a specific event that tells your bot to start doing something. So, the first step is to define clear triggers. These are the signals or conditions that activate your bot to perform a task. It's important to identify exactly what those events are so your automation responds accurately and promptly. Next, we need to focus on setting precise actions. Once a trigger occurs, your bot should know exactly what to do. Configuring these responses carefully ensures that your automation runs smoothly and performs the correct operations every time. Adding conditional logic takes things a step further. This means implementing if-then rules, which allow your bot to make decisions based on different scenarios. It creates a smarter, more adaptable system that can handle complex workflows and make decisions dynamically. Finally, before deploying everything at full scale, it's crucial to test these trigger action pairs thoroughly. Verify that each trigger correctly initiates its intended action. This step helps catch any errors or misfires early, ensuring your automation is reliable and effective. By mastering these concepts, defining clear triggers, setting precise actions, incorporating conditional logic, and testing thoroughly, you'll build smarter, more efficient automation that truly enhances your workflow. Let's talk about our testing methodology, which is a key part of ensuring the success of our project. We start with a comprehensive testing approach, where we use test bots with sample data. This helps us identify any errors or issues before we actually deploy the bots in real-world scenarios. It's like a trial run to catch problems early. Next, we have error monitoring. This means we don't just test once and forget about it. Instead, we regularly check the bot's performance once it's live, so we can quickly catch and fix any issues that might arise. This ongoing vigilance is crucial for maintaining quality. Then, there's iterative improvement. Based on the performance data we gather and user feedback, we continuously refine and enhance the bot's functionality. This cycle of testing, monitoring, and improving helps us create a more effective and reliable tool over time. Finally, we emphasize a solid documentation process. We record all workflow steps and configurations, which not only helps us understand how everything works, but also makes scaling and future updates much smoother. Overall, this methodology ties back to our goal of building a robust, efficient, and user-friendly system, ensuring we deliver the best possible outcomes at every stage. Let's talk about implementation and scaling. This is a crucial phase because having a great idea or solution isn't enough on its own. We need to focus on how to effectively implement these strategies and then scale them up to reach more people or broader markets. First, implementation involves turning plans into action, making sure that all the moving parts work together smoothly. It requires coordination, clear communication, and sometimes adapting as we go along to address unforeseen challenges. Then, scaling is about growing that initial success. It means expanding our efforts in a way that maintains quality and efficiency. This could involve increasing resources, leveraging technology, or optimizing processes to handle larger volumes. Throughout this process, it's vital to keep an eye on the overall goals and ensure that the scaling doesn't compromise the core values or effectiveness of what we're trying to achieve. In the context of our overall theme, successful implementation and scaling are what transform innovative ideas into tangible, impactful results that can truly make a difference. Let's take a look at this example of marketing automation in action. First, we have social media scheduling. The idea here is to collect content ideas, then use AI to generate posts, and finally schedule everything automatically. This process really helps save time and makes life easier for marketing teams. Now, the workflow steps involved are quite straightforward. It's a 3-step process, from gathering your content to creating posts, and then scheduling them automatically. Implementing this can save your team around 8 hours each week, which is a significant boost in efficiency. When it comes to measurable results, automation not only reduces manual effort, but it also helps maintain a consistent presence across all your social media platforms. That consistency is key to engaging your audience effectively and building your brand. Finally, some implementation tips to keep in mind. Start with a template to get things moving, then customize the triggers to fit your specific needs. And don't forget to monitor performance regularly. This way, you can make continuous improvements and get the most out of your automation efforts. Let's talk about some best practices to make your automation project successful. First, start simple. Focus on high-impact tasks that follow clear, repeatable patterns so you can achieve quick wins early on. This helps build confidence and demonstrates value quickly. Next, define clear triggers. It's important to establish specific events that activate your bot. This ensures your automation runs reliably and predictably. Then, make sure to monitor regularly. Keep an eye on your bot's performance to catch any errors early and identify opportunities for improvement. Lastly, don't forget to document your workflows thoroughly. Creating detailed documentation not only helps with future scaling, but also makes knowledge transfer within your team much smoother. These best practices are all about laying a strong foundation for your automation efforts and ensuring long-term success. Let's talk about monitoring and improvement. First, tracking performance metrics is essential. We need to keep an eye on success rates, response times, and error frequency. This helps us spot opportunities for optimization and ensure our automation is running smoothly. Next, regular audits are crucial. Scheduling periodic reviews allows us to verify that our bots stay aligned with changing business processes and compliance requirements. It's all about maintaining accuracy and relevance over time. User feedback also plays a vital role. Gathering input from stakeholders helps us understand pain points and identify areas where we can improve automation workflows. After all, those who use the systems daily often have the best insights. Finally, continuous improvement is key. We should implement iterative enhancements based on the data we collect and the evolving needs of the business. This ongoing process ensures our automation remains efficient, effective, and aligned with our overall goals. All right, now let's walk through the hands-on exercise steps to put this all into practice. First, identify a repetitive task that you do regularly. Look for something that takes up a lot of your time and follows a predictable pattern. Once you've selected that task, the next step is to map out the workflow. Break it down into individual steps, and be sure to document each action, decision point, and outcome as clearly as possible. This detailed mapping is crucial because it provides the foundation for automation. Now, with your workflow mapped out, you'll move to the iBARE platform to build your automation. Follow the steps you previously outlined, creating the automation process step by step within the platform. After that, it's important to test your automation thoroughly. Use sample data to verify that it works as expected, making adjustments to triggers and actions as needed. By working through these steps, you're not just automating a task, you're developing a systematic approach that can save you time and reduce errors in the long run. Remember, the key is to start simple, test thoroughly, and refine continuously. When it comes to scaling automation, documentation plays a crucial role. It's important to document workflows clearly so that everyone on the team can understand and follow them easily. Creating detailed process maps not only helps current team members, but also makes it much simpler to onboard new team members or transfer knowledge as you grow. Monitoring bot performance is equally essential. Regularly tracking errors and looking for areas of improvement ensures that your automation remains efficient and effective over time. Think of it as fine-tuning your system to keep everything running smoothly. Now, a good approach to starting small is to focus on high-impact tasks first. These are the tasks that deliver the most value with the least complexity, allowing you to build confidence and demonstrate quick wins before tackling more complex workflows. And don't forget, iteration is key. Continuously refining your bots based on performance data and evolving business needs helps you stay agile. As your organization grows and changes, so should your automation processes. All of these points tie back to the overall goal of scalable, reliable, and maintainable automation that supports your business's long-term success. Let's talk about performance measurement, which is a crucial aspect of ensuring our automation efforts are truly successful. First, we focus on key performance indicators or KPIs. These help us track how efficient our bots are by looking at metrics like time saved, error rates, and task completion rates. These indicators give us a clear picture of the impact our automation is making. Next, we use monitoring tools, specifically iBARE's dashboard. This allows us to observe real-time performance data so we can quickly spot any issues or areas that need improvement. Having this immediate insight helps us stay agile and responsive. Then, there's the importance of continuous improvement. Regularly analyzing the performance data from our bots enables us to optimize workflows. This ongoing process ensures that our automation remains effective, efficient, and aligned with our goals. Finally, we need to measure our return on investment, or ROI. By comparing the time saved through automation against the costs of implementation, we can clearly demonstrate the value of our efforts. This helps justify scaling up automation initiatives and securing further investment. All of these elements, KPIs, monitoring tools, continuous improvement, and ROI calculation, work together to ensure our automation delivers maximum value and supports our overall digital transformation strategy. Thanks for your attention today. I really appreciate you taking the time to explore the key points we've discussed. I hope you've gained some valuable insights that you can take away and apply moving forward. Remember, the main goal was to understand how these concepts connect and support our overall theme. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any topic, feel free to reach out. Thanks again, and I look forward to continuing this conversation with you.